Na nababakabalan, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. Guys, for today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Porac, Pampanga, and we were invited by GLAM Resort. So this is a 25 PAXX party resort and events place that you can actually rent exclusively sa Cribs by Ben. Guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Alright, so ito yung part ng resort in which they call it guest room. So, in this room, meron tayong sofa. I think this is living room area slash dining. They can also actually dine here. Kasi meron tayong dalawang table, good for up until 12 people. Actually, malalaki yung mga ano nila dito, tables and chairs nila. And then, dito sa side na to actually, so we're gonna go this way. Ito, this is their kitchen. So ito yung kusina nila. Wow! Look at that! Galing ha! Very luxurious actually. This is the biggest kitchen and parang modern design or type na kitchen na nakita ko sa mga resorts na pinuntahan natin. Also in this room is the entertainment section. So if you notice, meron tayo ditong 4K LCD TV at saka sharp sound bar. So, nandito naman tayo sa kanilang kiddie pool, which is also their jacuzzi slash massage pool. So, notice yung kiddie pool natin is, again, very suitable for kids. I think this is just up until 3 feet, no higher than 3 feet, no? And then yung jacuzzi pool natin, look at that. Later on, magbababad tayo dyan at magpapamassage tayo. Good job! Alright, so sa likod ko naman guys, ito yung kanilang adult pool. So, as deep as 5 feet. And for sure, dito mag-enjoy talaga yung mga adults na mag-swim. And considering napakalaki nito, I think pool party na merong around 50 packs, magkakasya pa rin dito guys. Kayang-kaya. Okay, so what I like about this pool, tignan nyo naman guys, na maintain nila yung quality ng water. It's still, I mean, considering the volume of the water, it's still really clear and looks clean, no? And then during the night, meron tayong mga ilaw dito, which is for sure magdadagdag sa kagandahan ng pool natin during the evening. So, later on, papakita natin kung anong itsura ng pool natin during the night. Alright, so let's go upstairs para tingnan naman natin yung kanilang mga sleeping rooms. Okay. Ganda. So they have actually 2 villas or 2 rooms. So let's go here first. Tingnan natin siya. So ito yung first room natin. It has 2 beds. First one is fit for up until 3 person, and then that one is actually double deck bed. And then meron din tayong sariling toilet and bath. Ayan. So you also have a cabinet to secure your clothes or mga stuff, diba? And then, ito pala. So meron tayong additional mattresses just in, you know, in case mag-overflow yung ano natin, heads natin dito na magstay. Now, this room has access sa kanilang balcony. So, let's get outside. So, coming outside, meron tayo ditong outdoor sofa, which is, again, perfect for chilling, a little, you know, kwentuhan during the evening. Meron tayo ditong overlook ng kanilang adult-size swimming pool. Yun. Actually, from this vantage, no, sa kung saan ako ngayon, actually, tanaw natin lahat, the entire property, even yung recreational and outdoor dining area natin doon, as well as the kiddie pool and jacuzzi. Alright, so coming into the next room, just this one, and let's look. Ayun, so actually, it's very similar to the first room. So it has 2 beds, good for 3 and a double decker, additional mattresses available dyan, plus yung own toilet and bath din. So meron din siya dito. Let's open the lights. There you go. Hi! Ang kaibahan lang dito guys, ito, wala siyang access dun sa balcony. But then again, the rest of the room, I think it's pretty much the same. Alright, so dito sa likod ko is a common comfort room and shower nga. So for example, if you hold your event here and you have a lot of guests, so they can actually have a common comfort room and a shower that they can use. Plus, meron tayo ditong outdoor kitchen, yan, for, you know, dishes that are really smoky and smelly, mga ganyan. You can actually cook here para mas presko. Ayun nga guys, so syempre kasama ko sa vlog na to ang aking family as well as my relatives, some of my relatives, dahil sobrang laki nga nito, hindi naman talaga namin kumbaga ma-occupy lahat ng spaces dito. So speaking of spaces, meron tayo ditong recreation slash outdoor dining na pwede rin nilang ma-enjoy. So during the night, this can also be converted sa mga tables if you have events, no? Dining tables, you have, for example, you have outdoor events. Okay, so this one is their billiards table. Okay, try natin. Alright guys, good morning. So, what an experience last night kagabi. Around 11 p.m. yata nung natapos kami mag-swimming dito sa adult pool nila and sama-sama kami doon dahil in fairness, kahit gabi na, it's still warm. Still warm yung water natin dito. So, again, thank you so much Cribs by Ben sa lahat ng mga nag-sponsor ng staycation na to. Meet Me, Crib Bubble, so tsaka yung CBB Auto. Thank you so much guys for making this possible. And again, if you're interested to book this place, make sure to contact Cribs by Ben. Usap po tayo doon sa mga accredited and legit marketers, agents, at mga co-hosts if you are interested to book this place. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to share it. Tag niyo pong we're in Pampanga. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys.